Rounding to the nearest 10. In rounding to the nearest 10, you look at the ones column. If the ones column is less than 5, you leave this alone and you replace this with a 0. So looking at this here, 3 is less than 5, so you leave the 4 alone and it becomes 40. 43 is closer to 40 than to the next set of 10, which is 50. So 43 is closer to 40 than to 50. In looking at the next one here, in looking at 85, if the number which in the ones column is 5 or greater than 5, you add 1 to the 8th. So look here, you see 90. So you add 1 to the 8th, and this is 90. In looking at this one here, in looking at this one here, you have 386. This ones column is greater than 5, which is 6. You add 1 to the 8, which is 9. So you end up with 390. In looking at another number, you have 251. The ones column, the 1 is less than 5, so you leave this alone, and it is 250. In looking at 4065, in the ones column, the 5 is 5 or greater than 5. You add 1 to the 6, it becomes 4070. In looking at the last one here, the 3 is in the ones column, it is less than 5. So you don't do anything, you don't add 1 to the 6, no, you leave it alone. So it's 8760. So if in the ones column that the number is less than 5, you don't do anything to the 10th column. But if it's greater than 5 or 5, you add 1 to the 10th column. Always remember that. So you add 1 to the 6th here, and it becomes 7. So it's 4070.